Chapter 7, Tutorial 3. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name c07tut3. Create the sketch. Now select the YZ plane. That's the sketching plane. Draw a arc from center. Enter the radius 36. Sweep angle 90. Reduce the dimension. Now select the line tool. Enter length of 5, angle 90. Similarly, length of 5 mm, angle 180. This completes our first sketch. Finish the sketch. Now create a datum plane at the bottom of this curve. And accept the default. Select OK. Now create a sketch. By selecting the new datum plane. Include this point and draw a circle of diameter 21. Finish the sketch. Now select from menu, insert, sweep, and select sweep along the edge. Select the circle, press the middle mouse button. Now select the guide string. The first offset should be 0 and second offset should be 0. Boolean none. Save OK. Now create the shell. Select the shell tool. – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – Select the top face as well as the bottom face and say OK. Hide the sketches and the datum plane. Now create the extruded joint feature on both the faces. Create a rectangle from center. 36 mm width and 36 mm height. Angle 0. Select fillet tool. Enter the radius 2 mm. Select all the four corners. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Enter the value 5 mm and say Boolean operation unite. OK. Similarly, create the sketch for the other side of the flange. Select rectangle tool from center. Thirty-six mm width, 36 mm height, 0 as the angle. Select fillet tool, enter radius 2 mm. Select all the four corners. Finish the sketch and select extrude to a value of 5 mm. Unite Boolean operation. Say OK. Hide the sketches. Now create a hole. Simple hole. Diameter 60. Select the sketch section and include the XY plane. Similarly, the horizontal dimension to 80. Finish the sketch and enter the value 5 mm. Similarly, create the hole. In this face. Now edit the Each section now start dimensioning 18 mm, 0 mm, finish the sketch, enter 16 as the diameter, value 5, subtract and say OK. Now create the counter bore holes, select the hole tool, select counter bore, enter the hole diameter 3 mm, counter bore diameter 6 mm, counter bore depth 1 mm, and select the point here. Now we need to edit this point, delete this dimension, include the vertical and horizontal edge. Now start dimensioning this point. This dimension is 5 mm. Similarly, this dimension is 5 mm. Finish the sketch. Depth limit through body. Select subtract and say OK. Now we are going to pattern this counter bore hole. Select the pattern feature. Select this counter bore hole. Select linear in the layout. And choose specify vector for the direction 1. Select this horizontal vector. Select use direction tool and specify vector in direction. Now select count and pitch. Enter 2 as the count and pitch as 26 mm. Similarly, 2 as the count and pitch as 26 mm. Now say OK. So 4 counter bore holes created. Similarly, create the counter bore hole in the bottom flange. 3 mm, 6 mm and 1 mm in the depth. Specify the point. edit the section. Finish the sketch. Say OK. Now select the pattern feature, linear pattern, specify vector and direction 2. You need to select the feature, say OK. Orient to trimetric, save the file close all parts. This completes chapter 7 tutorial 3.